Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills, and this is our fourth tutorial. So I hope you have seen over the first three tutorials because this is the continuation of that only. So today we have completed, in previous lectures we have completed the font tab, the paragraph tab, the drawing tab, the editing tab. So we have almost completed our the home tab, and we will move towards the insert tab. Before that, some continuation is remaining, some part is remaining. Let me cover that. So we learn how to include new slides from here, right? Now this is only what we didn't learn about these three. So these are the layout. Well, these layouts are the same to this one. Now here we are provided with three more options. These two options are of no use right now for us. This duplicate selected slide. Now what this do, the slide which is selected will be duplicated. So let me click here. You can see the slide is duplicated. Now again, I can duplicate the slide over here only. I have to select the slide whichever I want to duplicate. I have to press right click, and I will see duplicate slide. Okay, so inserting slide, I can do that from right click also over here. If I right click over here, you can change its layout from here also. And if you want to include one more slide, you have to again right click on here, and you have to just say new slide, and you will get a new slide. This will be a blank slide because the layout of this slide was blank. Okay, now if I say from your new slide, you will see the slide has been this one because the layout of the previous was the same. Okay, there are some more options: cut, copy, paste, delete slide. If I want to delete this one slide, I will right click and say delete slide. The slide is deleted. So the slides are being controlled from over here. Again, I can say add sections. Okay, so this is to add some sections and make the slides categorize. We can categorize slides. Let me say add section. The section is been added. I can rename the section by anything. For now, let me keep that as untitled slide only. Okay, now I can also close that from here by this arrow. This is the default section. I can also remove this from here. Remove section. I can also remove the section and slides. Remove all sections. If you included one then more sections, then you can remove that from here. Right now I want to just remove the remove section, so the section is removed now. So this much format, background, reset slide, layout. Now reset slide, this will again make your slide as it was, only the text is remaining. As you can see, the text is remaining, rest everything has changed. Okay, so then cut, copy, format, painter, these three are basic and most important. Now cut and copy, you know what is cut and copy. Now suppose I want to copy something. Let us show that on shape. I want to copy this shape. So now we will see how to copy that. For that, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus C. So I press Ctrl plus C, and now I will press here, open the second slide because I want to paste the shape over here. So I open the second slide. I will press Ctrl plus V, and you can see the shape is paste over here. Now there are two type of paste options. That is a formatting option, and the second is the image option. Now what are they both? Let me again press Ctrl plus V, bring it aside, right click over here, and you can see a paste option, picture URL, your destination theme. So let me click on picture view, or else I can do it that from here also by pressing your control. I can change the theme. Okay, so what are the difference in these two? Let me delete this. What are the difference in these two? So in this formatting shape option, I can change the shape. As you can see, I can change the shape, I can format the shape, but this I cannot do anything because this is a picture paste option and this is a formatting paste option. In the formatting paste option, we can format the shape, but in picture paste option, we cannot do that. Okay, so now we have covered two: how to copy, how to paste. The shortcut for copy is Ctrl plus C and the shortcut for paste is Ctrl plus V. Now how to duplicate? Duplicating a shape is very much easy. For that there is one more shortcut key. We use one shortcut key to duplicate. We press Ctrl plus D and you can see the shape is duplicate. Suppose I have to duplicate this picture, then I will press Ctrl plus D. This picture also get duplicated. This is also applied to the slides. If I want to duplicate this slide, I will press Ctrl plus D and see the slide is duplicated. So this is how to copy, paste and duplicate a image, slide or any shape. Okay. So now there was one more option over here, formatting. Formatting, format painter, which is known as format painter. So what is this format painter? So a format painter is a tool which allows us to apply one shape's formatting value to the other shape. Well, that's quite hard to understand. Let me show you how it's done. You will learn that automatically. Let me include one new slide. Now I will include one shape over here. Go in home tab again. Then I will give some random color, some random outline. Okay, this much only. And suppose I have included this circle. Then again I have included some more shapes. Now I will not go in again home tab. I will use the tool tab from here only. Now you are supposed to give these three shapes the same color and outline. So you will go one by one and waste your time. No, you will not waste your time by giving every shape one by one. Instead, you will use this format painter tool. I will select this shape. I will click on format painter and then you can see beside the arrow one paintbrush has occurred. Now I will press this and you can see the same formatting value as you can see the same formatting value has copied to the square. Now this only. You can also use one shortcut key for this and the shortcut key is same like copy and paste, only you have to add one key, that is shift key. For copy we use Ctrl plus C and for format painter we will use Ctrl plus shift plus C. So let me again change its color to show you. Take green. Now I will press Ctrl plus shift plus C on my keyboard to copy its formatting value. Now I will click over here and I will press Ctrl plus shift plus V. Okay, so it was a paste option only, shift is added. And now there is one benefit of using a shortcut key. So what is the benefit? Now for example the formatting value, so the formatting value of this is copied to my clipboard and side by side I can do the other things also. For example, if I say format painter, then you can see I have to compulsory select one shape and I have to give the same color. See, okay, so without that I can't do any other word. But for example, I have, now let me select this square and press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. So the formatting value of this square is copied, but I can do any other thing. You can see the color is not being added. Now the when color will be applied, when will this formatting value applied to the shape? When I will press Ctrl plus Shift plus V, then only. But in the format painter, you have to compulsory first do that only. You can't use this in future time. Okay. So this is one advantage of the shortcut key. So I recommend to use the shortcut key. Okay. So now we have learned cut, copy, then format painter tool and duplicate. How to duplicate. So we have cover and finish our entire home tab. Let me show you some more things. This slide can be also minimized over here from here, or you can completely disable it from here. So this was something extra knowledge. Okay, then how to add comments, notes. You can just click over here and comment. You can see comment, notes. You can add notes from here. Now basically it's use this, no need to show this. Okay, so today we have completed the home tab. In the next lecture we will see how to use this design tab, and please guys practice. Okay, one more thing I would like to show you at how to insert one slide in another presentation by copy option. Okay, for that I will open one new presentation. So what is the shortcut from new presentation? It is Control plus N. See, new presentation is open. Let me go in previous presentation. Now I will select this slide and press Ctrl plus C. I have copied this slide. Again go here and now I will press Ctrl plus V, and you can see the slide is copied over here, right? Okay. See, you can also get control option, paste options for the slide also. Isn't that interesting? Oh wow. So this is picture, this is keep source formatting and use destination theme. Okay. So this was how to copy the slide from one presentation to another. So now let us go to our basic learn presentation. Okay. So one more important thing guys, let me tell you that if you notice from last three tutorials that every minute of my tutorial is very much important. So please guys watch the complete video carefully. Do not just watch it carefully. That is the most important thing. Okay? So thank you and bye bye.